see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Later that day while laying in my bed, I thought, after hard times, why do we forget about the most important thing? Self-love. Hey sexy people, thank you so much for tuning into Real Divine. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Ryan. My channel is all about beauty, fashion, a bunch of stuff that you probably don't care about right now because you clicked on this video for a lit self-love playlist. Sometimes we go through a lot of heartache in life that leads us to forgetting about our self-love, our mental and our happiness, what really matters. So I worked with my team in the studio because I'm a great singer and dancer, and we got together and made this great a cappella of songs from artists that you know today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let the on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that Ralph St. Laurent jacket. Dapper, dapper, I look fine. Now my chicks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like. I do. What I like, I do. 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 Ay, I think it's bad, bitches. It's a gift from God. I think you broke. Need to get a job. Now I'm a boss. I run my own name on the checks. See so good. I said my own name during sex. I might smack it. I felt like it. Gucci shoes and a belt like it. Said the Rhyan is his favorite fragrance. I'm a rich and I smell like it. I'm in a boss mood. Ay, these shoes are Da Vinci. Some boss shoes. If you know boss move. Ay, for the record, I said record sales. And I guess I've been in and out of jail. They say by now that I'd be finished. Hard to tell. My little 15 minutes lasting long as hell, huh? Well, we made it about 2 minutes into this video and you still haven't subscribed yet or liked this video. Please do that. That will really mean a lot. Let's go back into the video. I'm sorry for interrupting. Yeah. Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lotions and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a sad bitch. Who would have thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and no strings. Write my own tracks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is flossy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. I just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got 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 it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. I just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Met him about 2 months ago. Said he was dreaming that he would make me better than before. So we work it out every day. We be making it turn slow. You know what they say about the grass. What you water, that's gon' grow. So we made it grow, yeah. I know you love the way I'm looking at my jeans. You wish that you could hold that. I know you love the way my body's sitting up. Yeah, that's the reason I walk like this. Had to send a video, I don't edit no pics. I work for it, I'm on my and when I'm walking by, yeah, I know the truth is he wanna know how she get that ass like that. How she get that ass like that. He wanna know how she get that ass like that. That ass like that, yeah. When I'm working every day, squats, making pop. Never had them shots, but she takes shots. He wanna know how she get that ass like that. That ass like that, yeah. I beat my face, moving fast cause I Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can't see no lace. That wig secure like the money in the safe. I look like bae, now I'm on the way. Like you know when I'm about a mile away. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait. The party started when we put her to the gate. Go, we so lit. I'm just with the crew. We ain't out here looking for boo. Cause some nights be better with you. Yeah, it's a homies only kind of mood. And tonight we on 100. 100. Yeah. No drama, no baby mamas, keeping it cute. Oh, that's just what I do. And that's just how we do it. And that's just how we do it. You like it what I do. You know I keep it cool. Ooh, and that's just how we do it. And that's just how we do it. And you can do it too. Ooh. I ain't even mad, no, not like before. Off with the head, now slither out the door. Snakes in the grass, it's time to cut the lawn. It's a hand to cut you off. No, you ain't gotta lie to my face no more. Hit me with I'm sorry, but I'm sorry, no. No, give me a Shapiro on the phone, case closed. You should've known that it's bigger than you. You never know what I already knew. After everything I already been through, I can't waste no time, pay no attention to you. I say no, oh no, that's no, I said no.